Ekadoshi Tithi. And this Ekadoshi means today the name of the Ekadoshi is called Annada Ekadoshi. This Ekadoshi, actually this Ekadoshi also, the it is a Bhagavan, just like in Bhagavad Gita, in Vibhuti Yoga said, where there is a great I am there. Just like and said, among the all river, I am the Ganga. Similarly, among the all tree, I am the banyan tree. Among the all men, I am the Narapati king. And among the living entity of the forest, I am that lion Singha. And among the all Tithi, I am the Ekadoshi. That means Krishna himself took the form of a Ekadoshi, just to the benefit to the people. And Ekadoshi, by performing Ekadoshi, only one can go to the Bhagavan in Goloka Vrindavan, to the Lord. So Ekadoshi, today is Ekadoshi, and this Ekadoshi has mentioned in Brahma Vaivarta Puran, and this Ekadoshi also has Yudhishthir Maharaj asking that about that Ekadoshi. The Maharaj, Janardhan, please tell me, this is called Bhadra. That is in Bhadra month, and that is every month to Ekadashi on Krishna Paksha and Shukla Paksha. In this Krishna Jayanti, this Ekadashi in asking by Yudhishthir Maharaj to Krishna. So this is another Ekadashi. So the incident of this Ekadashi, it is there once upon a time that the great truthful king Haridas, Harishchandra, King Harishchandra, and in the King Harishchandra has, when he has the Vishwamitra Rishi, and there is wanted to test. Once upon a time, actually some great assembly was going on in that heavenly planet. At that time, what is called Vashishta, Vishwamitra, and so many other is there. And by the way, there came to calculation, there is who is the very truthful king. So then that it is Vasishtha Maharaj is asking, still there is a one king was now in the land, and is a Harishchandra. He is a completely truthful, and is already some misunderstand with Vishwamitra and Vasishtha, because always something with them. So whenever Vasishtha is pronounced the name of Harishchandra, Vishwamitra is not able to accept. Then no, I can't accept. Then Vishwamitra himself came into this land to test the Harishchandra. And Harishchandra, and yes, Vishwamitra is completely has taken everything, and such a circumstance came, and he has completely sell his own wife and own children. So like this in the forest is so many things. And like this way, whenever this just to give the pariksha to fulfill that Vishwamitra, and this Haridas is completely went to the forest and is the take the service of that is a burial ground, that is a dead body there. So there, and one day, and Harishchandra is thinking, oh my God, how long I will be like this? How long? How can be? I have lost everything. My son I have lost, and my wife also has gone, and now I am the servant of and lowest Chandala. So how long? And at that time there is a Gautam Rishi come there, and Gautam Rishi is come there. By seeing Gautam Rishi, Harishchandra is become satisfaction. Oh Prabhu, I think it is my good day's appearance. So you have come to me, and you know, and I have so much suffer. I have lost my everything, and now you see, I was a king, but now I am the Chandala. I have lost my boy. I have lost my wife. So like this. Then is Gautam Rishi has given the advice. So don't worry. So this is coming in Ekadashi. This is a Bhadra. Bhadra month means it is a Bhadra month is Ekadashi after Krishna Jayanti, that you have to follow Annoda Ekadashi, and you definitely will get. So therefore, this is today is a Ekadashi, and Ekadashi is a said the Krishna himself in the form of Ekadashi. But how to perform the Ekadashi? And thing is a Ekadoshi. Ekadashi means ek means one, doshi means brata. So in other day, but in day of Ekadashi, one should be completely single-minded with great concentration, and in bhakti, one should be performing Ekadashi. Ekadashi means only thought of Krishna and worship Krishna, meditate Krishna, doing for Krishna. No any other. Eka, one brati means brata. And this is the Ekadashi brata. Then another thing is said, there is a Eka Anukalpa, which we are doing. In those days, the people that used to do Ekadashi complete fast, without drink water even. So, but now it is in Kali Yuga, it not very not possible for the people completely, and for that the Guru and Vaishnava and Acharya, and for that for the people of Kali, those people unable to do, and for that there is a called Anukalpa. Anukalpa mean there is a fall and mul, and that is also very, as Bhagavan Sri Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita, Jukto Ahar, Jukto Vihar. Similarly, in the day of Ekadashi, one should be do what? Very little food, Anukalpa, and that if you Anukalpa mean very little, they can be do perform what is called Bhajan, Kirtan, Upanas, for that. And completely they will be do. Therefore, Anukalpa. And another is what is said, and Hori Bashar Tithi. Hori Bashar Tithi means, Hari Bashar means which day is Krishna and Hori is going to live there. Then now we may think that how the God and how we can live the near of the God. So that is Bhagavan in said Mat Katha. That means Matkatha means Matkatha Jivanam. So in the Ekadashi day, we should be completely Haribashar means we live with the temple and with Harikatha. Harikatha means we have to singing and glorifying and chanting and living of Tulasi, and in this way listening Bhagavatam. In this way we should be live with God. Haribashar Tithi. Therefore, one incident. There is a incident mean what day? One day, Krishna is asking to Balarama, but little some things, and then simply Krishna said, you are so much bright inside, but your outside is completely black. You are in outside, your figure is very just like a golden color, but your inside is very black. And by seeing Balaram, little upset. Kanna, you are telling like this? And little upset. Then Krishna said, what? Brother Anna, that means your inside, I am there. Here Krishna is always, Balaram is always thinking of Krishna. So I don't think, I am always in your heart. Therefore I have told that inside one, but outside only you are black. Black means I am inside of you. You are always thinking of me. Similarly, in the Ekadashi day, Haribashar Tithi. Haribashar Tithi, in other day, other time, whatever you have to do, and particularly Ekadashi day, we should be completely, our thought, our living, everything should be with God. Thinking of God, chanting of God, meditate of God, doing kirtan of God, and that is also with single mind and with determination. So there is Ekadashi. And also Ekadashi, here thing is there. So many people are thinking of that Ekadashi mean on the day of Ekadashi, we should not take only rice. So other thing we may take. Like this thought is there, but actually it is not that. And the Ekadashi day, in fasting day, for the satisfaction of Lord Shri Krishna, one should be completely give up. There is a what is called Navadhanna and Panchashasya. So, and in Navadhanna and Panchashasya, we should not be take in the day of Ekadashi. Not only that, even we should not say to others that you have to take a rice or others. Like this, even so, in the day of Ekadashi, actually, when the before Ekadashi Tithi is coming in this world, and then the Bhagavan has created, there is called Papa Purusha. So Papa Purusha means he has so many different kind of sin, and through all the sin he has created that Papa Purusha. And that Papa Purusha, it is how, if the several kilometer distance that Papa Purusha is there, and from there wind from the if that it is will come, even the people will get the mentality to do sinful activities. And therefore, because of that Papa Purusha, completely all over the world, all the people has started to do so many different kind of the sin. And sin, and there is no place of the Naraka. So like this way, there is no place of Naraka, and no, all the people are doing so many things. The complete world's sinful activities. Then Bhagavan thought what will be happen. Then there is a what is called in heavenly planet Sarga, and there is then in Naraka, there is said, so we so much overload job we can't do. Then Bhagavan has said, don't worry. Then he has said and created that Ekadashi Tithi. And when Ekadashi Tithi, he has appeared in this world, and from the body of Lord Sri Krishna. So that is also what happened. There is a one a demon. See, the demon is by name that Moor. This Moor demon is so powerful, and there is none of them can stand. And demigod and others completely yes there. And all the demigod and all others, they are harassed by that Moor, and completely the sadhu and sannyasi and muni rishi has tortured by that Moor. And is completely rounding and challenging everywhere, but no one is there. Then finally that all the demigod and is surrendered to the Krishna and said, Prabhu, you can only save us. So therefore we accept you, no one is there. Then Bhagavan said, okay, no problem, I already know about that Moor, I am going to be do. So therefore what you people do, and first of all, though we have already harassed by Moor demon, but I am telling now, you do one thing, again you people go and challenge that king, the Moor demon, and behind I am going to that. Then as per the order of Krishna, and all the demigod again went to fight with that Moor. And that Moor Danava has with his soldier started to again fight. And they started to fight with that what is called to the demigod. But demigod already they have a weak, they are not. And there all the demigod is they have what is called, they are defeat, and they have gone here there. But Krishna is a small boy standing there in battlefield. Then Moor has said, what happened? All the demigod, all other fighter has gone because of my fear. But this man, this boy is standing. Then he said, what happened? Who are you? We have no fear of me. And then simply Krishna is a child is giving reply, no, I have no fear of you. And I have no fear of you. And you can fight with me. Then Moora said, how? You very small boy, how I can fight? So is so much argument. No, you should fight. You don't think me that I am only the child, but I am the protector of everybody. You should fight with me. And that is Moore is started to fight with that small boy, and fighting, several years fighting. But it is even Krishna also unable to do anything, and this man demon also unable to do anything to Krishna. Like this, so many several years fight was going on. Then suddenly Krishna is acting as if he is little weak, unable to do, and he suddenly had disappeared from that battlefield. And when he disappeared from that battlefield, and then this Moor is searching where this man gone. And finally, that is Krishna has is went to the mountain, just like a Himalaya, and there is one cave, and he was just acting as sleeping. And here this the king of the demon, Moor, is searching, and then slowly, and this man, the demon, is approached there. Then he saw Krishna was sleeping, then said, this whatever he is my enemy, and he is only doing so many things. Today I have to kill him. Just that Moor is about to kill, going to fight, immediately from that body of that Krishna, one very beautiful girl appear, and with all weapon, and he started to fight that man. And within short time, this demon has killed by that that lady, that is a girl. And after that, she was with folded head, is standing behind near of Krishna. And then Krishna has smiled. Hare, what happened? And who has killed my enemy? And said, who are you? What is your name? And I think we have done this. How this man has killed? Then she explained, Prabhu, and when he was sleeping, this gigantic demon has come there and wanted to disturb you, kill you, and therefore I came out from your body and have destroyed to that boy, the demon. Then he said, Prabhu, and hereafter, and I also want to remain with you in this world. And then Bhagavan said, okay, good things, okay, I now have to give the name of you. You are the Ekadashi, because already it is because of the Papa Purusha complete. So now you should be in this world by the name of Ekadashi, and I also will be take form and live with you in the form of Ekadashi. So in people, those who will do the Ekadashi, they performing Ekadashi, they will come to me. When Ekadashi has come in this world, then what had happened? Completely all the people started to follow Ekadashi. Follow Ekadashi. By following Ekadashi, observing Ekadashi, and completely all people are gone to the heavenly planet, or Vaikuntha and other things. There is no sinner in this world. And then there is that Papa Purusha. He went to God. Prabhu, before Ekadashis appear in this world, I was very fine. I have so much job. As because of Ekadashi, I have no job now. So why should I stay? You should take me in your place where from I came. And then Bhagavan said, no, I'll give you job. I'll give you job. Then okay, you do one thing. In the day of Ekadashi, day, you take shelter on the Navadhanna and Panchashasha. So therefore, if you take and people, and without knowing, they will do the Ekadashi, but their Ekadashi will not be perfectly, because they will do they will take, that is some people day of Ekadashi, they will take rice and roti, goduma, these so many things, but indirectly they are going to do the eat sin. So in this way, you have to adjust. So similarly, then from that day, the Papa Purusha also here, and people also are doing Ekadashi by all these things. So in this, then all the Goswami of Vrindavan and other thing, and they have to how to perform the Ekadashi, by which then we have given the declaration that day of Ekadashi, one should not be take that Navadhanno or Panchashasya. Why? And the day of Ekadashi, Papa Purusha is taking shelter on that. So therefore, in the Ekadashi day, one should be do with fasting. If those people are unable to do completely, which is called Nirjala, for them they have the Anukalpa. Anukalpa means very little, that is also fruit and milk, other things. And Ekadashi day they will take, and they will believe and single-minded with God, and then physically, mentally, like this. And they will believe with God mean by thinking, by meditating, by chanting, by doing kirtan in this Ekadashi they will do. So therefore that Ekadashi is stated.